Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta give a shout out to the folks at KaraMD, Dr. Kara and the whole crew for Boost NXT for nitric oxide support. This is great heart health support. As somebody who loves working out, I trained at altitude at the Air Force Academy. I've always been a fitness guy. You've seen me do a lot of fitness videos. You see my home gym, and we've talked about that before. But I gotta tell you, the thing that boosts me more than anything, it's from Dr. Kara. It's made with the finest ingredients, formulated in the USA, non-GMO, GMP certified facility. It's a vegan supplement, and this stuff is really great for your heart health and everything when it comes to really getting in shape, staying fit, and really being at your peak performance. So if you're really looking to boost that oxygen, really get your blood pumping and get fit as you can be, well, guess what, folks? KaraMD helps you be as fit as you can be, and you're gonna absolutely love it. So go ahead, pick yours up, put it in the cart. You're absolutely gonna love it, folks. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where I only show you products I own, I love, and I think you're gonna love. And everything from Dr. Kara is amazing, but this Boost NXT is great for workouts, great for fitness, and great for being in shape. Go ahead, you're gonna love it. Thanks again for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love making these videos and showing you the products that really work, and guess what? This really works. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.